Hello my friends, this is market commentary with Axiory, and finally we got some moves on the market. So Monday and Tuesday was pretty quiet on the market, but Wednesday brought us inflation data from the US, and inflation was lower than expected, 4.9 instead of 5%. You can see that the change, this miss was really small. The difference was really small but significant, especially for indices, which are currently climbing higher. But I will show you that later. Overnight, we also had inflation from China, also came lower than expected, 0.1 instead of 0.3, 0.4, depending from the service that provided the numbers. So we can see after those two numbers that peak of inflation is probably behind us, and now inflation should be going lower. Although in many countries it's still very, very high, but again, most probably the peak is already behind us, and now inflation will be going lower, which again does not mean that the prices will start to go drop. It just means that they will rise less than before. So the inflation going lower does not mean that the prices will go lower as well. They will just rise slower. What is happening on the charts? Well, on euro-dollar, first reaction was negative for the dollar, right? So the dollar weakened. You can see this here on euro-dollar, but now we are back to the stronger dollar again. Technically, it's a beautiful breakout of the lower line of the ascending triangle pattern and a proper sell signal. On indices, for example, on Nasdaq, we saw a proper strength because we got the escape from the rising wedge pattern and escape to the upside, which is a proper signal to go long. And for example, on CAC what we saw is a beautiful defense of this 7,360 points defense with the double bottom formation, which gives us a proper buy signal. If you need an additional confirmation, you can wait for the price to close above this midterm downtrend line. That will be an amazing signal to go long on CAC. Thanks very much for watching, and I wish you all the best in your trading.